my god, it's such a beautiful day. Oh, it is now 1:30 and I am heading home. I got off work early, so yeah. Alright guys, so today is Halloween and I am heading home early because I had too much vacation hours, and so I need to take some time off. So I got off early. I got off like 6. I was supposed to leave since 12 o'clock, but you know what I mean, a stickler for my job, so I stayed, and I stayed until, you know, until I got everything done for the day, almost everything, because yeah, my work is never done. It's such a beautiful day, and I see why they have like photographers and stuff or camera people, because it's like when you look at places behind a lens, it is freaking gorgeous. You know, you walk by every day and it's like, okay, it's good, it's nice, but actually looking and focusing on your environment behind the lens is freaking amazing. It's just so beautiful. Like, I'm looking at these clouds and I'm like, ooh, you just look and you see all the shapes and stuff. But on a regular, if I'm just walking down the street, I'm not really, like, you know, looking at the clouds, and you know, you guys know what I'm saying. But anyway guys, let me go. I'm gonna record today. I'm gonna like probably take the kids them trick-or-treating and stuff, so I'm gonna record that because I know we're going back to our old neighborhood, because I know the houses are always like, everybody come to that neighborhood to trick-or-treat, so we're gonna go over there. Yeah, so that's about it. I'll catch up with you guys later. I'm so excited to be off work. I actually had the courage to leave work today, guys. I actually left work early today. Whew. I feel amazing. This is such a hey guys, we are home. We stopped at Walmart. I didn't find the costume, of course. That was taking a big like chance. Like if I had got it, it would have been crazy. But basically Walmart had a few costumes. They were all like 50% off, and it was mostly for kids. It's so small. It's big. Anyway, my son just got a one of these riding cars from his dad, so my daughter is undoing it now. It looks so small. I thought, you know, on the thing is so different. But anyway, we went to Walmart. We got like a few pieces, like $13 worth of groceries. Nothing major, you know what I'm saying? The cat needed food, so we got cat food. I got me some green plantain. I want to make shrimp tacos, and for me, shrimp tacos. The kids will eat regular tacos, and some tostones, fried green plantain. And then I got some crackers. My daughter wanted some crackers, and that's why I don't go to take your kids to the store with you. I bought me a Cadbury. This is my favorite chocolate, guys. I should not be eating it, but I went to Walmart and I saw it, so you know, yeah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And then, of course, one of my favorite fruits, which is a banana. I have not had banana in a couple of days now, and I'm like, oh, definitely need a banana. Definitely need a banana. So guys, I'll catch up. We're gonna get this car together and I'll show you how it looks. But yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. It's a couple hours later. We actually got the car together, but I wasn't able to show you guys because as soon as I finished putting it together, my son wasn't he didn't wait until I was finished. He was in there as soon as we opened the box. I was unable to show you guys because he was all up in there. He was driving back and forth, but he loves it, so I'm excited. I can't wait for him to actually start using it. My daughter wants him to take a trick-or-treating today. That's not gonna happen. That's too much. But right now, guys, I'm putting away some dishes. I'm gonna wash these dishes, and I'm gonna make some as I told you guys earlier, tostones, fried green plantains, and some I'm making shrimp tacos for me, and I make beef tacos for them. And yeah, guys, so let's get into it. Look, let me see if I could do something with the knife. Let's get into it.
And then you move it with a transition. You're gonna cut yourself.
Don't mind me, guys.
You should just put that as a blueprint.
You right? Wow. If you came back, I know what I'm doing.
You can say what you want. I already know it's destiny. Maybe you should stop resisting it. I understand it can be scary, but you'll be safe in my arms, baby. Just take a leap of faith. Come on, just take my hand. 'Cause our vibe is irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love no more. It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know, together. If you let me be your girl, we'll take over the world. Together we'll go high, we'll make the most of life. If you let me be.
Ooh, the sun is in my eye. Hey guys, oh my god, I'm off today, thank god. But it is freezing. First when I get in my car it's like 42, but the heat's been on. I just dropped my daughter off to school, so me and my baby boy going back home. I'm not going nowhere today. I normally go run or walk or do something in the streets, but I'm not, I cannot. So I'm about to head back in, and I'm gonna I need to do some laundry, but most of all clean up the house a little bit, vacuum the floor, my bedroom floor, because this little boy, I know he have like 1,000 stuff on the floor, because he goes to the laundry basket, he pull out the laundry, he go to his toys, pull out his toys, everything. So if you know, you know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. But I am home now. I'm gonna get him out the car, and then he's taking a nap right now. Hopefully he stays asleep for a little bit, because we've been up since 4:30 this morning. So I'm gonna do that, and then get back with you guys, or prepare something to eat. I still haven't made my tacos from a couple nights ago. We was running out of time. I had to do my daughter hair, braid it back so the wig could go on her head. So I didn't end up anything, and by the time we came back, it was like after 9 probably. It was too late for me to make any tacos, so I still haven't made the tacos. So I'm probably gonna make those for dinner today for myself. Have to get something else for my kids. Once it warm up, I might go out because I need to get some stuff. My daughter have a multicultural breakfast tomorrow at her school, so she wants me to make bake and saltfish, so I'm gonna do that. That's the easiest thing I could have found to do, because what we eat in the Caribbean for breakfast, like, if I could remember, it's been a long time. Corned beef and bread, porridge, oatmeal, cornmeal porridge, flour pop. I can't remember everything. Maybe breadfruit. I don't remember if we used to eat breadfruit. I can't remember all the stuff we used to eat. Cornflakes, right? But that was back in the day. What they eat now, I have no idea. But yeah, I say, okay, let me make bacon saltfish. I can't remember if we used to make bacon saltfish, but That's what I can make. That could last for, for anyway. Yeah, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna make for them to eat today, but I'm gonna make my tacos, and I'm gonna make the tostones, the green plantains. And then, yeah, guys, I'll catch up with you guys when I'm outside. I need to pick up my baby at the car. Oh my god, I can't believe how cold it is today. But once I get warm up, I'm gonna take I'm probably gonna go out somewhere, maybe go to the store or something, get the flour, and I think I have a pack of saltfish in there. But yeah, guys, I'll catch up with you guys. So hey guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys. He was sleeping and then he just woke up in the middle of me doing the video, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna complete it because I need to make something to eat. I could feel a hunger within, the hunger that is within, yeah. Anyway, how I do my white clothes, I soak them. Okay, so I guess that's what we're gonna be doing. His hair is kind of messy. Anyway, this is how I do my white clothes, how I wash my white clothes. I soak them for a couple hours in this thing, White Bright. Yo, this is the real deal right here. This right here, ooh, I've never seen such white clothes, see so much until I start using this. So what I do is I soak the clothes them with this, and then I use the powder laundry detergent. I was trying to figure out how to get my clothes my white clothes from stop looking so dingy or whatever, because sometimes we wear a white shirt and it would be a nice shirt, and then you wear it one time, it get messed up and there's no fixing. So I'm like, I finally find what I've been looking for all my life. Yeah, honestly don't even remember how much I paid for this. So I'm gonna pour about half cup. And I think I have like 2 more washes in me. And we don't have a lot of white clothes, so we wash white clothes maybe once a month. So when the kids use white clothes, they know they're not gonna get it again for like the next month. And I don't normally measure this, I'm just gonna put it in there. I don't put too much of this. And then I use really hot water and fill up the bucket with water. I have my hose here, so I fill it up.
I can wait for the day, yeah. I wake up next to you, and daydreaming about it. Come on, just take my hand, 'cause our vibe is irreplaceable. You don't see this kind of love no more. It's special, one of a kind, yeah. I know, together, if you let me be your girl, we'll take it for the world. Together we'll go high, we'll make the most of life. If you let me be your girl. I know you've been hurt before, but I promise I am honest. I care about you. Maybe it's time. So let the past go, turn the page, let me in. If you let me be your girl, we'll take it for the world. Together we'll go high, we'll make.
Baby dude did awesome with his food. He's still eating. Guys, Bella, you want this spoon? Alright guys, so for now I just ate the grits. I didn't eat my plantain and egg yet. I need to make me my coffee. I need coffee. But right now I'm gonna be catching up on two of my shows. They're on Peacock. One is Found, and it normally comes out on, I guess, NBC on Mondays, and then Irrational. I watch both of those. I have not been watching like TV shows in years because I haven't had cable, but now I have Peacock. I found this show. I saw this on YouTube, actually advertised on YouTube, and it says streaming on Peacock, and I know I had Peacock, so I was like, oh yeah. And I really like this show. It's a good show, Found. So I'm gonna catch up on those two shows. Then after that I'm gonna wait until my give it about 2 hours. Then I'm gonna go and put the white clothes in the laundry, and I'll show you guys. And I'm gonna close out this vlog because I don't want to start another one. I'm gonna be consistent. I claim it. I claim consistency, you know. Alright guys, so it's been a couple hours. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the washer and wash them, and yeah, I'll let you guys see the finishing result. I think they soak long enough. It's been like maybe 2 or 3 hours, so I'm just gonna get that done because I have another load of laundry to do. All right guys, this is the finished product. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Don't mind my son, he's always fussing. He's trying to go outside. Oh my god, this is amazing. No more dingy looking shirt. Look at the armpit, guys. No more dingy looking white tees, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Get into it. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also put on your post notification bell so you can know each time I upload a new video. Until next time.